We were trying to find the area of the shaded region, and the shaded region is to the right of 86. That 86 is a real number, a real world number, not a z. And I went on and labeled the mean as 100 because it tells us the mean is 100 and standard deviation is 15. And we know before we use technology, I need to convert that to a z. And so I did z is x minus the mean over sigma. And I plugged in my x value, which is 86. And minus the mean divided by 15, I got negative 0.93. And then I need to figure out, I've drawn a second graph here. This top graph is in terms of x, and the lower graph is in terms of z's. We're still trying to find the area to the right of negative 0.93. So I use StatCrunch. And actually, in StatCrunch, the first thing it asks you for is the mean and the standard deviation. So I could have used 115, but I'd already made the effort to convert it to a z. So that meant the mean was 0 and the standard deviation was 1. So I clicked on Question Help in top right. I clicked on StatCrunch. The menu items across the top, I clicked on Stat, chose Calculator, chose Normal, and then that gave you a picture. I made sure it was greater than or equal to because we're trying to do greater than or equal to. And I entered in 0.93, negative 0.93 as my z. And then I clicked on Compute. And I got this number here. And that's the correct answer.